YouTube? Welcome, YouTube. We got another one. This one is the carbon fiber front splitter in 5VM from Paragon Performance. Don't forget to subscribe. We're knocking them out. Here's another one. 5VM front splitter in carbon fiber from Paragon Performance. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Yeah, YouTube. More carbon fiber. Carbon fiber front splitters 5VM. Coming soon. That's the old YouTube. That's the old ABS plastic from General Motors. And trust me, this piece alone right here is not cheap. Okay? And it's ABS plastic. You know what I'm saying? It's a front splitter. Front splitter for sale. OEM C8 front splitter. Got YouTube. Carbon fiber. 5VM Paragon Performance. Very aggressive front split. Yes. Don't forget to subscribe. Paragon Performance, carbon fiber, 5VM front splitter. Very aggressive. That's another one. I'm gonna take this Corvette to where it needs to be. You know what I'm talking about? The Chevy came up, Corvette came up. Streets. That's right, YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Tell all your friends about it. Well, we bring it to the CA, our level of content. Ooh, YouTube, and I just want to thank you for watching this video. Okay, 5VM, track series, splitter, full carbon fiber. Ooh, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll bring this one to an end. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification so you know when I post like this. Share with all your friends. And we out. It's your boy, Beeline Heavy Life, now in the CA. New aggressive 5VM front splitter. See how aggressive it is? In carbon fiber. Aggressive. Very aggressive. 5VM carbon fiber. And you probably can't see this, but carbon fiber, full carbon fiber. New aggressive 5VM front splitter. See how aggressive it is? In carbon fiber. Aggressive. Very aggressive. 5VM carbon fiber. And you probably can't see this, but carbon fiber, full carbon fiber. 5VM carbon fiber front splitter, dog. Full carbon fiber, high wing spoiler, dog. That's what I'm doing right now. See that? That's carbon fiber.